The World Pediatric Project is a charity that supplies much needed surgical services for pediatric cases in third world countries, in particular the Caribbean, but we also are in Central America and Dominican Republic.
Since 2001, World Pediatric Project has established itself in St. Vincent. Every time we have a team of medical volunteers with the pediatric subspecialties, they come down to St. Vincent and they offer their services at no charge. We have 60 to 100 children that we actually see, and they get the surgical intervention that they need to improve their quality of life.
Well, today we're having our upper extremities clinic to see children with upper extremity hand deformities and deficiencies. They come to clinic, they do an evaluation of it, and then having evaluated them, they set aside the surgical patients, and then they will do the surgery over the next 4 days.
So we're shadowing with the doctors and the interdisciplinary team with WPP. It'll be good for me to see the approach from a physician's standpoint and how they take histories, how they assess the patient, how they make a treatment plan.
It's very clear that to accomplish the things that we wanted to accomplish, you needed to have a partner. And you needed to have somebody or some institution that was interested in doing what we're doing, could benefit in what we're doing, but also wanted to participate. And it became clear that St. Vincent's was going to be the hub. It was a natural partnership to go into Trinity School of Medicine.
I understood what their mission was and how valuable that was to St. Vincent and the people of St. Vincent. And our mission in healthcare is similar, helping those in the community where we are. And it became an exciting partnership for us because our students were able to learn from those physicians that came to St. Vincent. Over the years, that program grew.
I hope the Trinity students leave clinic today having understood the impact that they can make in their careers if they choose to do work like this in the future. I hope they actually learn a little bit about my little world of hand and upper extremity surgery, even if they don't choose to pursue that field. Hopefully what they are seeing with my interactions with the patients will be valuable for them as they develop their own approach to patient care, and then understand the complexities of the challenging situations and how to proceed step by step to get to the best result.
I think every child deserves access to this type of medical care, no matter where they are, where they're from, what their background is. It goes beyond just helping the child, it's helping the family, it's helping the community. I hope that they can take that away, and that interest and that energy and that continued motivation to keep learning.
The teams from World Pediatric Project coming and our students being able to be a part of that is integral in improving medical education for the students. We came here 3 weeks ago, and on the way in, we were on the same flight as parents of a student who's just started here. We learned that she only applied to Trinity Medical School, and it was because of World Pediatric Project and its association with Trinity.
You see the difference being made in the children's lives. It's such a rewarding and a fulfilling experience where you see both the doctors who give of their time, the students of Trinity who are able to benefit from their guidance and their knowledge, and then the families who are ever so grateful for the support and the surgeries that their children are getting that they definitely need.
Yeah, I think it's really important what WPP is doing, and I want to go into pediatrics. So knowing that there's programs like this available and that the kids from all over can have access to care like this no matter where they live, I think that's really important. Trinity was absolutely a great choice for me. They took a chance on me, and I'm just doing my best to make the most of it.